see from the opening scenes, we are back with show season. So we are on our way to a show. If you watched the previous video, you would have seen the behind the scenes. If you haven't yet watched that video, I'll put it up here and then you can check it out after this one. But yeah, stay tuned. It's a new venue. I don't think we've had a show here before, so it should be interesting. Let's see what cars come out. But before we get into that, if you are new, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, so like I said, we at our first event for the year. I'm going to do a small walk around and show you what cars are here. But there is a lot of music and a lot of people, so I'll probably just try and keep it short and then, yeah. Okay, so this is one of the first cars I want to stop by. And this is Akio. I think it's his father's car, but I think he brought it in. So yeah, look at this fitment. And this is static fitment. It's not on air, it is static fitment. Okay, so let's go around the side. This is a very nice Corolla sitting on, what's that, twin spokes, and then next to it you've got a Fox. It's also sitting very nice. Not sure if it's static or bag. I haven't seen these two in a while. And then over here we've got another Corolla. I think I showed this earlier in one of the videos last year sometime. I think we got new wheels around this time. And then over here we've got a bagged A3. I'm not too sure what this Miata is on, but yeah, the fitment is lacquer. Let me try and go from the front and you can actually see the camber right around. Very, very nice Miata. You don't often see Miatas in PE, so very nice. And then over here we've got a Jumbo. Very, very nice. I also showed this in our Love More video. So in my video here, and this is something that we definitely don't see a lot in PE, and that is a MR2. Chick over there with a lacquer turbo setup. And I don't know if you can see on the camera the flake in this paint is lacquer. But yeah, something very nice we don't often see in PE. I don't even know if it's a PE car, but yeah. Over here we got 3 more cars from Junior's stable. So over here Junior's got a bagged CLA45 on a set of rotiforms, and then he's also got a bagged 6R sitting very nicely. And then the last one out of his stable is a 7x5 GTI on, once again, rotiforms. And if you look closely inside, he's got a Club Sport interior. So Junior definitely showed up and showed out.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every week.
So because of the loud music, I'm just gonna put some background music on. So sit back and enjoy the rest of the show.